Welcome back, guys. We're trustedshopguy.com, and today we're in the home. In this video, we'll be sharing with you our best carpet sweepers. Keep your floors spotless and say goodbye to pesky crumbs, dirt, and debris scattered on your carpets. Our list of carpet sweepers are here to make cleaning a breeze. To help you further, there are timestamps and direct links to all the products in the description below. Be sure to visit our website at trustedshopguy.com for more of our research in the home, or alternatively, subscribe to this channel for regular updates. The fifth carpet sweeper in our list is the Eyliden carpet sweeper, which trustedshopguy.com has awarded a 4-badge rating. If you're looking for a noise-free and efficient carpet cleaning solution, the Eyliden carpet sweeper might just be the answer to your prayers. With its remarkable silent operation, this carpet sweeper offers you the opportunity to clean your carpets in peace without disturbing the tranquility of your surroundings. Whether it's your baby's nap time, a serene coffee shop environment, or any other situation where silence is golden, this carpet sweeper has got you covered. One of the most appealing features of this model is its energy-saving and eco-friendly nature. You can effortlessly push it back and forth to efficiently pick up debris, make it not only eco-conscious but also highly convenient for quick cleanups. Thanks to its compact, lightweight, and mini-sized design, this hand-push carpet sweeper is a breeze to use and store. Its portability and user-friendly features make it suitable for everyone, including seniors and kids, so cleaning becomes a hassle-free task for all. No more heavy, cumbersome vacuum cleaners to lug around. This carpet sweeper simplifies the process and makes it accessible to everyone. What's more, using this product is a breeze. Thanks to its rotating brush rolls, it effortlessly collects both large and small debris on forward and return passes. It also has a trash storage box, so emptying it is a simple task with just one-touch operation, making it even more convenient for users. However, it's important to note that this sweeper might not be suitable for long-haired or hard-textured floors, so it's essential to be aware of your carpet type before making your purchase. The Trusted Shopping Guide team recommends this to those looking for a carpet sweeper that offers a remarkable blend of silent operation, energy efficiency, and easy-to-use design. The fourth carpet sweeper in our list is the Kärcher KB5 Electric Floor Sweeper Broom, which TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded a 4-badge rating. Whether you're dealing with dirt, debris, or pet hair, the Kärcher KB5 Electric Floor Sweeper Broom is up to the task, leaving your floor spotlessly clean and your cleaning routine a breeze. This floor sweeper is a game changer in the world of floor cleaning appliances, delivering powerful performance and unmatched convenience. One of its standout features is the electric propelled roller brush, which rotates at high speed to tackle dirt, debris, and pesky pet hair on various hard floor surfaces and low-pile carpets. This innovative design ensures a spotless clean without relying on traditional suction, setting it apart from standard household vacuums. Beyond its impressive cleaning abilities, this model offers an exceptional advantage: whisper quiet operation. It's got a Quiet Mark certification, which means it's officially recognized as a high-performance product that makes way less noise than other options out there. No more dealing with annoyingly loud cleaning sessions. Now you can enjoy a peaceful ambiance while you tidy up your living space. Maintenance of the KB5 is also a breeze, making it a user-friendly and hassle-free cleaning companion. The easy-to-clean brush roll and simple-to-empty debris cup streamline the upkeep process, ensuring that keeping the sweeper in top-notch condition is nearly effortless. The quick and easy emptying mechanism ensures that you won't come into direct contact with dirt and debris, promoting a hygienic, clean experience. Maneuverability is another area where the product shines brightly. Its flexible double joint and effortlessly movable handle enables smooth navigation in all directions. You'll find yourself gliding it effortlessly between and underneath furniture and chairs, reaching those tricky spots that often go neglected with other cleaning devices. Now, despite its powerful roller brush, the KB5 is primarily designed for hard floor surfaces and low-pile carpets. It may not be as effective on high-pile carpets or more challenging surfaces like thick rugs or even terrain. If you have a variety of floor types in your home, you may need to supplement the KB5 with another cleaning device. The Trusted Shopping Guide team recommends this for anyone looking for a floor sweeper with a powerful roller brush, quiet operation, easy maintenance, and exceptional maneuverability. The third carpet sweeper in our list is the Alpine Industries Triple Brush Floor and Carpet, which TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded a 4-badge rating. Don't waste time with cumbersome vacuum cleaners or noisy cleaning appliances. Embrace the Alpine Industries Triple Brush Floor and Carpet Sweeper and discover the joy of effortless and discreet cleaning. This carpet sweeper is a highly convenient and efficient cleaning solution that'll revolutionize your quick touch-ups. With no cords to plug in or dustpans to fuzz with, it offers a seamless and hassle-free cleaning experience. Its construction is also a testament to its quality, combining steel and plastic materials to ensure durability and reliable performance for years to come. To top it off, the package includes a handy comb, making it a breeze to clean the bristles and maintain the sweeper's effectiveness. Versatility is the name of the game with this carpet sweeper. It effortlessly tackles dirt and debris on various surfaces, including tile, vinyl, hardwood, and carpeted floors. You don't need to switch between different cleaning tools anymore. This all-in-one sweeper has got you covered. And that's not all. The sweeper's compact design takes its usability up a notch. It's so lightweight and easy to maneuver, allowing you to glide effortlessly around chairs, table legs, and any other obstacles during your cleaning routine. Cleaning under furniture has never been easier, all thanks to the sweeper's sleek and clever profile. It's clearly designed with real practicality in mind. But wait, there's more good news. Its portability is a true game changer. You can easily carry it from room to room. No heavy lifting is required. Cleaning your entire house becomes a breeze with this convenient and efficient feature. Now let's not forget one more remarkable feature of this carpet sweeper. Its manually operated mechanism ensures quiet operation. It's so efficient and silent that you can clean your floors without disturbing others around you. Whether you use it in a bustling commercial facility or a peaceful residential setting, its discreet performance makes it a valuable addition to any environment. However, as a manually operated sweeper, it requires physical effort to push and maneuver across the floor. This might be a disadvantage for individuals with mobility issues or those seeking a more effortless cleaning experience. The trusted Shopify team recommends this to those looking for a carpet sweeper with convenience, quality construction, and multi-floor capabilities. The second carpet sweeper in our list is the Bissell Perfect Sweep Turbo, which trustedshopify.com has awarded a 4-batch rating. The Bissell Perfect Sweep Turbo is a remarkable cleaning companion that not only keeps your living space immaculate, but also contributes to a meaningful cause. Bissell proudly stands behind its commitment to saving pets by supporting the Bissell Pet Foundation, an organization dedicated to rescuing and caring for homeless animals. With each purchase, you become a part of this noble mission, making a difference in the lives of furry friends in need. One of its most notable features is its generous dirt cup capacity of 400 milliliters, ensuring that you can tackle extensive cleaning sessions without frequent emptying interruptions. Plus, the powerful cordless design allows you to effortlessly clean hard floors, air your rugs, and even those tricky, hard-to-reach places, delivering an efficient and convenient cleaning experience. Now let's talk about its long-lasting battery life, which is truly commendable. You get up to 60 minutes of continuous powered cleaning, making it a reliable companion for your cleaning sessions. And with a charge time of only 12 hours, the Bissell Perfect Sweep Turbo ensures you're always ready to tackle your cleaning tasks with ease, whenever you need it. Besides its exceptional performance, this cleaning marvel boasts impressive versatility and maneuverability. Its lightweight design enables effortless navigation, making it ideal for quick pickups of daily dirt and messes from various surfaces. You can effortlessly glide it under furniture and reach tight spots, leaving no corner untouched. Ease of use is at the forefront of the Bissell Perfect Sweep Turbo's design. An easy-to-empty dirt cup allows for hassle-free disposal of collected debris, while the Easy Glide rubber wheels ensure smooth movement across different surfaces. The adjustable metal handle adds to the convenience, allowing you to customize the height for optimal comfort during cleaning sessions. Another aspect that sets this device apart is its quiet yet powerful cleaning performance. It works diligently to remove dirt and debris from your floors, all while maintaining a serene atmosphere. No need to worry about disturbing your household or neighbors during your cleaning sessions. Now, although the battery life of the Bissell Perfect Sweep Turbo is impressive, the drawback lies in the extended charging time of 12 hours. Waiting for the device to fully charge before use might inconvenience users who require immediate cleaning or have forgotten to charge it in advance. The trusted Shopify team recommends this for anyone looking for a carpet sweeper with a remarkable battery life, ease of use, and quiet yet powerful cleaning. The best carpet sweeper in our list is the Fuller Brush Electrostatic Carpet and Floor Sweeper, which trustedshopify.com has awarded a 5-batch rating. If you want a hassle-free and efficient cleaning solution for quick touch-ups and everyday messes, the Fuller Brush Electrostatic Carpet and Floor Sweeper is the ultimate choice. This versatile and highly efficient sweeper is a game changer when it comes to tackling various messes with ease. No matter what the source of the mess is, whether it's pet hair, crumbs, debris, dust, paper clips, or even broken glass, the sweeper's natural fuller quality bristled rotor brush effortlessly picks it all up, leaving your floors and carpets spotless. What's even more impressive is it goes above and beyond by including an extra vinyl blade rotor. This handy addition proves incredibly useful, especially when dealing with messy food spills. With this feature, it becomes the ideal cleaning companion for every home and restaurant, ensuring no mess stands a chance against its cleaning power. Transporting this incredible sweeper from room to room is also a breeze, thanks to its compact and portable design. It's astonishingly lightweight, sparing you from overexertion and making cleaning a swift and stress-free experience. Whether you're cleaning your kitchen, living room, or dining area, this sweeper effortlessly glides across different surfaces, making it suitable for multi-floor capabilities. Worried about finding an available power outlet or dealing with cords? With this floor sweeper, you can say goodbye to such concerns. Utilizing an electrostatic charge, it powers through dirt and debris without requiring any outlets or batteries. This feature not only saves you time, but also reduces the hassle of cord management during your cleaning sessions. And that's not all. When it's time to store the sweeper, you'll be delighted by its ease of use and storage options. It conveniently folds flat, making it a space-saving marvel that fits seamlessly into any closet. This means you can always have it ready for those spontaneous cleanups, ensuring your home remains tidy and presentable at all times. In terms of its construction, this model is crafted with an indestructible metal housing, so it's built to withstand the rigors of regular use, ensuring it remains a reliable cleaning companion for years to come. The 4-section metal handle further enhances its sturdiness, providing a comfortable grip for effortless maneuverability. Worried about potential damage to your furniture as you reach those hard-to-reach areas under tables and sofas? Fear not, as this sweeper is thoughtfully designed with a long-wearing, soft vinyl bumper protecting your furniture from accidental bumps and scratches during cleaning sessions. Just a heads up, removing the rotors can be quite tricky. You might need someone really strong to help you pop them out. The trusted Shopify team recommends this too, those looking for a floor sweeper with a powerful performance, extra blade inclusion, multi-floor capabilities, easy use and storage, and sturdy yet agile construction. And there you have it, folks, our best carpet sweepers, which got our team at TrustedShopify.com excited this year. If you have any contenders for next carpet sweeper roundup that you would like our team to test, do drop them in the comments section below, and we'll be sure to assess them for our next update. If you like this video and it helps you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our homes great. We look forward to seeing you at TrustedShopify.com again soon.